think it works that good. It's like going right between the fan blades.
Oh shit!
Oh my god. Stan, look at the fan in here.
I really hope I got
Look how slow it's going.
What the hell?
Isn't that fucking weird?
You see it?
Damn.
I can't move it because it might... Look how slow it's going.
It's like...
Because it's going so fast, it's only catching like 5 of the
Oh my
blades.
god.
Isn't that weird as hell?
Bog, yeah.
My battery's gonna fucking die.
Mine catches all the blades.
Those are my fucking socks, asshole!
Fall under the tree.
This one's gonna hurt even more.
Where?
I don't know. Maybe it's in the tree.
Maybe it's in the tree.
I see it. I think. Oh.
Is it in the tree? Yep, I see it.
Where?
Come over here.
Oh, it's right in the middle!
Fuck.
You see it?
You know what would be sweet if we could fucking have that fan working and jump to that fan and that fan back and forth?
Oh my god. Oh shit!
What was that?
The ashtray.